Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am here to do a sneak peek for the Not Too Shabby Shop's April box, and it is called Lazy Days. So I'm not going to show you everything, but we're going to show you a little sneak peek. So we have, ooh, did you see that real quickly? And we have, what? Real quickly. So I'm going to show you something real cute. I just made something very simple because I've been doing a lot of reading. So I made some bookmarks using some of the products. So here's this one. Yes. And I just have some simple ribbon, and then I went and outlined it with some Spectrum Noir markers. So here's another way to use your markers. Just use it as an outline around your page instead of using distress inks. The other good thing about alcohol markers is it's permanent. So that works there. Secondly, I did this one. How cute is that? And thirdly, I used the papers. You know I had to pull out some dies. And so, I had to get those into my collection. And here is my last one. So this is a little more involved, but you can see these cute little sneak peeks using the new Lazy Days kit from Not Too Shabby Shop. Thank you guys for watching. Check out Jamie's shop, and don't forget to go over and see if you want to get the monthly subscription or if you want to do it just one-off. All right, you guys, bye. See you guys later. Be safe.